Aside from the Vivo V50 5G, the brand is also bringing its more affordable version, the Vivo V50 Lite. While its vanilla model excels in its camera capabilities powered by Zeiss, the Lite version champions its stronger build and long-lasting performance. We were at the Vivo V50 Lite launch event and had the chance to experience the new model even more.
Aside from the usual keynote, the event was packed with exciting activities, live performances, and a special appearance by the stunning Maine Mendoza, who lit up the stage with the new Vivo V50 Lite in hand. Maine shared some of her favorite features of the phone. From its sleek design to its impressive cameras, we're here to expound into what makes the Vivo V50 Lite stand out.
Hi guys, it's CJ here of YugoTech, and here's a rundown of some of our best features we found from the Vivo V50 Lite. Let's dive right in. Right off the bat, let's talk about that high-capacity battery. Despite the phone carrying the Lite moniker and measuring only 7.79mm, it packs a large 6,500 mAh Blue Volt battery. This is the largest by far when compared to the majority of other devices in its class. This substantial battery ensures that the V50 Lite can keep up with even the most demanding users, whether they're on the go, watching content or playing games all day long, and even live streaming, which has been a trend nowadays. But a large battery is only part of the equation. What's equally impressive is the 90-watt flash charge. We're talking a full charge in just under an hour and hitting 50% in a mere 20 minutes, which is just enough time for a quick coffee break. Coffee break. If ever the battery drops to 1%, the V50 Lite is still operational for a bit longer. Vivo claims that users can still make off-screen calls for up to 26 minutes at such critically low battery. Plus, its battery is built to last with the claimed 5-year battery health, retaining at least 80% capacity after 1,700 charging cycles. Beyond the solid battery capabilities, the Vivo V50 Lite has got some enhanced durability going on. It boasts IP65 for dust and water resistance, which means that even the tiniest particles like sand won't get inside this phone easily. Plus, it can handle sudden rain or even accidental dips in the pool. Just a reminder though, make sure that the phone is completely dried off before charging it, so be careful with that. Then there's the drop resistance, with the V50 Lite able to withstand drops of up to 1.5 meters. And it still works. Yep, there's no scratches. We're all good here. Vivo claims that it offers a 20% increase in fall resistance thanks to a comprehensive cushioning structure, an SGS 5-star drop resistance certification, and the strongest shield class in its price range. Such a durable build makes it an ideal choice for users in demanding environments such as construction workers, ride-hailing and delivery riders, or those operating food stalls, as the phone is oil-resistant as well. On top of all that, the Vivo V50 Lite also comes with accessories like anti-drop film and a protective case right in the box for even more peace of mind. Now, usually when we hear massive battery and durable, one could picture a bulky, rugged phone, and the Vivo V50 Lite is far from it. In fact, it's got a visually appealing design complemented by its slim profile. We like its minimalist look, and the flat frame with a high-gloss metallic finish adds a nice touch. It comes in stylish colors like titanium gold with a metallic matte back. There's also phantom black with a subtle purple tint, and fantasy purple with an interesting feather-like texture. The V50 Lite's aesthetic still resembles that of the regular V50, so users won't miss out on the elegance that the V series is known for. Flip the phone over, we have the 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel running a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Users can expect solid visuals with crisp detail, vivid colors, and deep blacks, along with a decent set of dual speakers. The phone even offers up to 400% max volume output, providing clear audio even when you're in a noisy environment. While durability is its main focus, the Vivo V50 doesn't compromise on camera performance either. It sports a 50-megapixel main shooter paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide for the 5G variant. According to Vivo, the V50 Lite, equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, outperforms competitors such as the Oppo Reno 13F and Samsung Galaxy A25 in low light and backlit conditions. delivering brighter and clearer images with better skin tones. While that may be the case, we have yet to test that out in our full review, so stay tuned for that. Of course, no V-series phone would be complete without the signature Aura Light feature, designed to help users to shoot portraits in low light conditions. Whether you're at a party or in any dimly lit environment, the Aura Light on the Vivo V50 Lite ensures your subject looks nice. It helps bring out natural skin tones and adds depth to its facial features. Speaking of elevating your shots, the Vivo V50 Lite comes packed with AI-powered tools to refine your photos even further. One such tool is AI Erase 2.0 to declutter your image and remove those pesky photo bombers. To use it, simply open the Albums app and select the image you want to declutter, tap Edit, and choose Remove People. Next, the AI Photo Enhance tool, perfect for reviving your old memories with just a few taps. Beyond the tools in AI Image Studio, the Vivo V50 Lite also features other AI tools. For instance, Google Circle to Search allows you to make a search for anything displayed on your screen. And if you want to translate text, simply swipe open the left sidebar, tap the bottom arrow, and select Screen Translation. You can also extract text from your photos with ease by tapping the T icon at the bottom right of the screen. And to improve signal reception, there is AI Superlink that automatically boosts your connection in environments like elevators, ensuring you stay on the optimal network. So, after all that rundown, what do we think about the new Vivo V50 Lite? Despite carrying the Lite moniker, the Vivo V50 Lite doesn't behave like a stripped-down afterthought. Instead, it's designed with a clear focus on endurance, reliability, and everyday usability, areas that are often overlooked in mid-range smartphones chasing trendy features. The highlight here is undoubtedly the 6,500 mAh battery. It's an unusually large capacity for a phone in this size, and it puts in the kind of work that heavy users will appreciate. Whether it's long video calls, gaming sessions, or back-to-back streaming, the Vivo V50 Lite will keep you going. And its fast charging for 90 watts is really convenient for such a high-capacity battery. Then there's the durability aspect. The phone's IP65, combined with the drop resistance enhancements like the cushioning structure and the SGS certification, this device clearly has durability in mind. Still, despite its rugged intentions, the Vivo Lite managed to avoid looking the part. It's slim, quite lightweight, and has a design that leans towards being minimalist, which is quite nice. Camera-wise, the specs are modest but capable nonetheless. The 50-megapixel main shooter and 8-megapixel ultra-wide should be enough for casual photography with features like Aura Light and some AI tools helping to enhance the image output. Again, we'll reserve our full thoughts about its camera performance, but early impressions are promising. There's also a few thoughtful AI extras like text extraction, image cleanup through AI Erase 2.0, and even AI Superlink to help with signal optimization. They're not revolutionary individually, but they do make day-to-day tasks a bit smoother. All things considered, the Vivo V50 Lite doesn't try to do everything, but what it offers, such as strong battery life, solid durability, and a clean design, it really does it well. It's a practical choice for users who care more about reliability than gimmicks, and those who need a phone that can last them for a very long time. Plus, with both the 5G and 4G variants available, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 and Snapdragon 685 respectively, users have options depending on their needs. All in all, the Vivo V50 Lite is a well-rounded device, catering to users who want resilience, style, and smart features, all in one affordable package. The phone just got launched recently, but it'll be available very soon, so keep an eye out on our full review. So how about you? What are your thoughts on the Vivo V50 Lite so far? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this content helpful and informative, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Follow us on our socials and check out youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!